Hello, I'm Nicolas Bonifacio, the export sales manager of Colline. Colline is a manufacturer of refrigerator equipment based in Italy, in Padova. We're producing all refrigerator devices for catering, pastry, bakeries, ice cream and pizzeria market. We are here in Pira to present our new line Vision, the multifunction blast chillers that do in one single device blast chilling, shock freezing, proving, towing and storaging. We will participate also next year at Pira because we are very willing to increase our presence in the Russian market. That is a very booming market. Thank you, and we will hope to see you again in our Colline's booth next year in Pira.